Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol FNMA. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. That does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out where levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. Nice movement today. There's no doubt about that when you stop and think about where the price was at its lows from this morning, and then all of a sudden where the price closed right there. Yeah, the price certainly did make a good solid move on the day, and really that brings about a very important level, at least in my mind, area on the chart. And that is right here at $2.70. Why is $2.70 important? I'm not saying this is what's going to occur, but let's just say that the price were to come down at $2.70, break down below it, and then just continue to separate to the downside. What would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally have the price right back inside of that range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price were to come down here, bounce around, and then start to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this instance? Well, at least you'd have a set of lows right here. I mean, of course, it's never fun when the price goes down, but in this context, the price went down and bounced, so you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have that set of lows down there. And if you envision each and one of those as stair steps, well, hey, now you have overall stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what you want to see happen over time. You want to see progress being made. And in this situation, I'm just defining and quantifying that phrase progress as $2.70. And again, $2.70 is just very important because price movements that go back to where they were, that's just a total contradiction of progress, right? So therefore, that would be more of a bearish move. But as of right now, the price has done a great, jump to the upside, and as long as it continues to stay above 270, that means progress, is on the table, and that's what you want to see. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this movement continues upwards, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? In terms of next levels of resistance, as of right now, I think it's doing battle with this former area of support right up there around 277. So yeah, 277 was that area of support right there, and that's just a foundational rule in charting. When levels of support are broken and closed below, they do tend to act as resistance. And although it didn't hit it right there, got within the range of it, and then you go to this afternoon, and on 2 separate occasions, it was rejected immediately at that level. In the event the price can push through 277, next key level after that would be up there around $2.83. So no doubt about it, nice bounce today. Let's see if the price can build upon this momentum or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.